Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set Vibrate for notification in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Here you can see sounds and vibration. Press on this. Now scroll down. Now you can see here Vibrate for notifications. If you want to set your phone Vibrate for notifications, you just have to turn on the button. That's it. So this is how to set Vibrate for notifications in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.